Hello friends! Today we are learning the letter I. Let's build it and write it together. Let's build uppercase I. Line across at the top. Line down. Line across at the bottom. Great! That's uppercase I. The letter I makes sound eh, 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 eh. Igloo. Eh, eh. Ice cream. Eh, eh. Insect. Awesome job! Now let's write uppercase I. Line across. Line down. Line across. That's uppercase I. Now let's write lowercase I. Line down. And a dot on top. That's lowercase I.